Well, hello there, YouTube channel. This is a response video to Legal Lockpicker's video of the cheapest lockpick set you've never seen. Well, you've seen this pick set before. This is the Yi Hong cheap Chinese lockpick set that was found on Wish. Now, this set was $6, as any of my viewers know. It was not $10, it was not $11, it was not $13, $6. Now, that's cheap. And yet, this is spring steel. Riveted and sandwiched together between stainless steel. The material is cheap. It's pleather, not quite leather. The stitching is moderately done. However, I would not exclude a broken key extractor from a pick set if I were going to give this away. First off, your broken key extractor can also work as a bypass tool for padlocks. And by bypass, you're sticking it completely up the key slot. And you're turning it to the left or the right to get at the actuator and open. Now, as a YouTube channel, I respond to all my comments. I don't care how many people post a comment, I will reply. That's the key to having a channel that is remembered and lasts. Well, Legal Lockpicker doesn't seem to do that. He will also post his email address and urge people to contact him, and also check him out on Instagram. Well, the whole purpose behind giving out your email is for you to respond to your emails. That's a fact. If you're going to have a YouTube channel to where you're telling people, oh, send me emails about stuff you'd like me to review, but I'm essentially keeping them, so gimme. That doesn't work out too well. If you're going to give away pick sets, include everything. In fact, include additional items of spring steel. These came off of street sweeper bristles. I'm also not going to try and bore anyone by reading easy pickings for 33 minutes. You've already seen me do a video with this. I have shown the inside, I have shown you the pages. I'm sorry, but don't read a booklet for 30 minutes in a video. That's like watching Katana Fanboy Reviewer sprout off nonsense for 35 minutes. Be consistent. Be smart. And of course, be conscientious of the people who comment or email you. Listen to them and respond back if they comment. They are what hold your viewership and your fanship together. I hope this has been helpful, and I already know that I'm going to get at least 15 thumbs down, which is fine. So, thanks for tuning in.